Hey guys, it's Jason here, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the new wave of LEGO Technic sets. The first set from this wave is the McLaren P1 that retails for 450 United States dollars. Also, according to the box art, it's a 18 plus set and comes with 3,893 pieces. And not only that, it's pretty fantastic set overall. The second set from the wave is a Mercedes-Benz G500. This set retails for 250 United States dollars. It's an 18 plus set and comes with 2,891 pieces. The third set from the new wave includes the Volvo FMX truck with the EC 230 electric excavator. This set is a $200 set. It retails for the 10 plus age group and has 2,274 pieces. The fourth set in this wave is the Koenigsegg Jesco Absolute in the grey colorway. This set has 50 United States dollars. It has 801 pieces and retails for the 10 plus age group. Then we have the Koenigsegg Jesco Absolute in the white colorway, which retails for 50 United States dollars and is under the 10 plus age category and has 801 pieces. Keep in mind, both the sets in the grey and white colorway have the same price and the same amount of pieces included. So my thoughts from all the above sets and my personal opinion is that me personally, I really love the Mercedes-Benz G500 as it is a pretty detailed and a neat set. And that's it guys for today's video, and bye for now.